Hey there, this is your digital lifestyle expert, Mario Armstrong. I'm at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. Check out this cool tech trend coming out of the show. At CES, smart home tech shines, and the Honeywell Home X2S smart thermostat is the perfect upgrade. It's Energy Star certified, delivering energy savings and smart features. You can set schedules, monitor humidity, even get air filter reminders to keep your system running good. And it's Matter enabled, meaning it works with most smart home devices. That's really important. This is under $80, by the way. It's easy to install, and you can use it with the app or with this large, bright display. To learn more, visit honeywellhome.com. To find everything we covered at CES 2025, just head to our website, bestofces.com, or visit us on Instagram at InTheNewsTV.